What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. If life is not great, tune to make it better, because that's what we're about. Today's video, we got a lot going on. It's gonna be really exciting, especially for me. It's 2 years in the making. Last week, you guys saw that I came out with 3 videos. I'm back on the grind. I'd rather be doing this than to be waking up at 5 in the morning working for somebody else. That shit ain't it. I ain't gonna cap to you. But in today's video, I'm gonna have a good time. I don't care. It's gonna be a learning experience, the first of, I'll say, many trial and errors to come. But without trial and error, you can't really learn anything. So we're gonna head hot straight into this, and fuck it, let's get it going. Tune in. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we got some coilovers for my SI. Finally! Like, after all of this, you would think I would have got coilovers first. Honestly, it would not have been a bad investment. But I wanted to take a break from doing the engine stuff. I have stuff for I think I need to order some more stuff. I definitely might need camera kits, but I don't know until we get the stuff put on. But that won't be for like right now. It's bright as shit. Alright, so I figured before I we hop right into the video, that I give you guys a quick update on the car real quick. So while in the process of making these videos, I did send the car to the shop, to One Stop Shop Auto Service. You guys would have saw that on my story, and you can see that the engine bay looks cleaner, right? So one thing I was having a problem with was, let me prop this up. One thing I was really having problems with was I was getting coolant everywhere, like doing pulls or just random pulls and stuff. Like, I was getting whiffs of coolant. You would see it splatter all right here. Yeah, but like I was saying, like you could tell right here, there's one marking right here where it was getting at. You can almost smell it still, but that's like remnants of coolant being spilt from when I was trying to add coolant there before. But what we also did was, I did have problems with my idle pulley. As you guys know, that I replaced, me, Jordan, and Chavez replaced it with a plastic one from AutoZone just to get me through the week. I had One Stop go for the OEM pulley, and it's quieter, quality is way better, and I got a good OEM, I think that's an OEM serpentine belt. So we did that. I do probably have a leak on the timing cover, and this car might need to get a catch can. But as far as that's concerned, it's not too bad. But there's still work to be done. It's not perfect right now, but in due time we'll get it settled and all that good stuff. But that's it for the update, because I still have stuff on the way. Still got stuff on the way. But after this, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break on modifying this car and just enjoy it for what it is. So like I said, I'm really trying to save up for an apartment, so I try to get out as many videos as I can. By the summer, I will have the rest of the stuff on this car, so that's something to look forward to. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox my new set of coilovers.
Stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watch me elevate.
Alright, so I brought the car inside. We're going to quickly unbox this. It just got rigged. I did not wash the car, but it's freezing. So I didn't want to make this a long process. So just go right ahead and open this. We just get some good working with boxes. Just fucking rip it with it. Alright. Make sure you got everything you need before we get started. Place it over there. And boom, baby. Here are our coilovers. Alright. Got some good old max speed rods information. Here we got our strut, our shock. We got our what we need for the spring. Comes with the boots. Here's the other one. These are the front two, the middle, and the rear, and the back on the sides. So looks like we got everything. So let's go ahead and get her jacked up and get started. Alright, there we go. Alright, so after almost an hour, as you can see, I take my tool chest apart because in transport, my shit got all fucked up, and now I can't find my shorter 3/8, so I'm stuck using a long one. But it's a real simple process of trying to do it. These two bolts, if it'll focus. Alright, so you got a 17 on either side. One I'm gonna do it with a ratchet, I'm gonna hold with a wrench. Obviously for the wrench I'm gonna use for this nut right here, if you guys can see it. And then you got this bracket, and then you got these two on the bottom, and you got 3 on top. Bruh, my shit's just like completely obliterated. Yeah, definitely time for these to go. My shit's clapped. And it's no wonder how I've been driving like this. But that's what we're fixing today. That's what we're going to lower. That's what I like about doing stuff like this. It's kind of necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this side. I didn't have really a preference on which side I'm gonna start on, but I'm gonna loosen the top. I'm gonna do that last, so it can just drop. So this should be interesting.
I was born and when I watch me elevate. All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watch me elevate.
Alright, so I got the first strut removed. Bruh, this is so easy. Like, bruh, easy. So, I got the first strut removed. As you can see, bruh, look at the rings, bruh. It ain't supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look something like this on the inside, and that turns into this. That's completely donezo. And okay, I already got started. Like, bro, why me like I'm like so excited to do this. You see this ring right here? Alright, first of all, I think the preload's already set. I don't think I have to worry about that. I don't think I have to reuse that top hat for this. I don't know. I doubt it. There's nothing off this I would like to use. But we're replacing the strut for a coilover. This is what I chose to go for again. If you guys remember my cord, I ran the exact same color coilover on my car. So how this is done after years of watching videos, this is what you want. We don't mess with the top. We don't mess with the top. We mess with this bottom ring right here. I already put it all the way up because I'm saving this shit. These don't drop that low, and so I don't see why not. So when I'm gonna go ahead, put this all the way up. I'm maxing it out because it doesn't load that much. And then a later video I'm gonna get my fenders rolled, but and so I can get prepared for my new wheels. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lower this up and bolt it back in and see how she looks. And it comes with a new bracket for the brake lines. I kind of broke the tab right there. I mean, I always break tabs, bro. Like, this is the tab breaking channel. Broke that tab, but it shouldn't be nothing. It shouldn't be nothing too concerning. And what I like about these coilovers, it has adjustable cam bearing in the front. Which I'm not gonna be messing with right now. I'm gonna wait till I get my alignment for that. But that's dope as hell. So I had to get help. And by the time that y'all know who it is. Oh, that is. Damn.
Okay.
Alright. So it's been a while since I updated the video, but we got the first set in. As you see at group, that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. And in the process of trying to take out this, the axle came out. Trying to install the new coilovers, so we're gonna get the axle popped back in before we get everything bolted. Yeah, looks good in there though. Sheesh. And then we gotta do the rear. So I'll update you guys after this.